In this video, we'll look at the process of redacting sensitive information from a PDF. Redaction is generally done to make sensitive data unreadable in PDF documents that are to be published or shared. So let's get started. With the Security tab selected, we'll cover two different ways to redact information. The first is to manually mark items for redaction. So in this case, we'll select both the name and address and mark them for redaction. You can see that marked redactions are highlighted with a red border, and if you hover your mouse over the red boxes, they will be filled. If you have several redactions, as we do, a quicker way to do that would be to use the Search and Redact function. So in this case, we want to search for all the credit card numbers in our document. The Power PDF Search and Redact capability includes the ability to search based on patterns, such as Social Security or credit card numbers. We'll select credit card numbers and perform the search. Power PDF has found 3 occurrences. We'll select them all and mark them for redaction. And then, as we'll see, throughout the document, those credit card numbers have all been marked. What we'll do now is apply the redaction, and we'll also see that metadata and other content in a document can also be removed. And once we save the document, those redactions are applied. If you're interested in learning more about Power PDF and its capabilities, we offer both free to access online learning as well as a wealth of technical videos on the Tungsten Demo Center.